What is up guys, and welcome to Smart Online Payday YouTube channel. So today guys, I'm going to show you guys a secret method I used to make up to almost $2,000 plus online. I'm going to show you guys other steps that I use so you can go and follow it as well, and also implement this method and earn a lot of money very fast on Clickbank and earn a lot of money like this. So pay close attention, watch step by step till the end, because I'm going to show you guys all the steps that I use so you can go and follow as well, do the exact method as well, and you're going to guarantee to make sales. We are going to follow what I'm going to show you guys in this video right here and actually take action on this method. You can see there's a lot of sales. I can see right here the product I was promoting was called Overnight Millionaire, but a lot of products you can go and use as well and promote with this exact method right now and actually still make a lot of money in a lot of different niches. So pay close attention. So the method I'm going to be showing guys right here, you can go and make your first $100 to $1,000 plus very fast on Clickbank. Is a 100% working method right here. You're going to get a easy traffic strategy, and you're going to get very targeted traffic. So you don't need any website at all to go and get started with this method right now and make money. You don't need any website at all. It's a copy and paste method, and it's also newbie friendly. So I'm going to show you guys all the steps right here. So once you're done with this method right here, you're going to make a lot of sales on complete autopilot. So you don't have to go and do any work. You just have to go and follow the steps I'm going to show you guys in this method right here. Implement it. You're going to make a lot of sales on complete autopilot, and you can go and get started as soon as today, as you're going to watch this video right here till the end. So be sure to watch till the end, because I'm going to show you guys how to go and properly implement this method right now to go and actually make a lot of sales very fast and earn a lot of money on complete autopilot. So if you enjoy Smart Online Payday YouTube channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you're going to get different time that I post new smart methods to start making a lot of money online. So I post new smart methods every day. They can go and use and make money on Clickbank, on Diesel24, and some general smart methods to make money very fast online. So pay close attention on this method I show you guys on this channel. Take action one method consistently and start making some sales. Then when you start making sales, take that money and invest back on paid traffic so you can go and make a lot more money consistently using paid traffic. So pay close attention till the end. So that's guys, so let's get into this video. Let me show you guys exactly what we're going to do and promote affiliate offers on Clickbank and earn a lot of money. You can go and replicate this exact method I use right here to make a lot of sales. I use it as well and actually earn a lot of money on complete autopilot on Clickbank. So let's get into the video guys. Okay guys, so let's get into the video. Let me show you guys the exact method I used to make almost $2,000 plus on Clickbank on complete autopilot that anybody can go and do right here. So let me show you guys. I've shown you guys right. You can see the product I was promoting right here. It's called Overnight Millionaire. So I've used this exact method to promote other different affiliate products right here. So I'm just going to show you guys the other one right here, Overnight Millionaire. So this was a manifestation and success type of product. So this product, I can go and promote this product on Diesel24. It's no longer on the Clickbank affiliate marketplace. You can still go and promote this on Diesel24 and still make a lot of sales. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the marketplace. So this is the exact method I use. I went to the affiliate marketplace, and you can see there are a lot of products that are converting very well. So what I did is I went right here, I went right down, I scrolled down at the bottom and went to spirituality and alternative belief, because this is the category this product is in. I can actually go and make a lot of sales for products in this category right here. So let's click right here. You're going to find a lot of high selling products. Once you click on that, you're going to sort by gravity. So you're going to go and click and sort by gravity. And when I look for the top selling products on the marketplace right here, so you're going to see, for example, this one numerology is also converting very well. You can see there's also going to pay very low commission, starting at only $19 and sometimes as low as $4. So you don't want to go and promote a product that's going to pay very low commission. So this one also converts very well, but the commissions are actually very low. So you can see this one saw manifestation. You can go and promote this offer as well and to make a lot of money. And this is a manifestation type of product. You can see this one, new Astro Tarot. You can see bioenergy code. So this is one of the products that's very perfect for this strategy right here. So you can go and follow what I'm going to show you guys in this video right here and actually make a lot of money. So if you're going to use product, for example, bioenergy code, so let me open this product. You're still going to go and make a lot of product. You're still going to go and make a lot of sales regardless of the product you're going to go and promote, because this particular product, bioenergy code, for example, all of these ones right here, that the exact type of product that I was promoting, and you can still go and make a lot of sales promoting any of this type of products right here. So the first thing I did is I went to this particular category and I choose a high converting offer. If you want to go and use this method as well, you can go and use, for example, you can see this product, Midas manifestation, this one bioenergy code. You can go and use any of these products with this method I'm going to show you guys in this video right here. You're still going to get the same results and actually make a lot of sales on complete autopilot, because you can go and do this with any affiliate product and actually make a lot of money. So the first thing I did is that I want to look for a high converting offer that's selling very well and also going to pay me a high commission. But for example, you can see this one is going to pay you up to $133 per sale, and it also has a lot of upsells. So next thing you're going to want to do for me is that you're going to want to drive a lot of targeted traffic to this offer right to actually make a lot of sales. So let me show you guys the exact thing that I did from here. So this offer right here, bioenergy code, or this product right here, is going to help people to go and manifest money and manifest their dream life. So it's going to be very good for the audience that I'm going to show you guys. So pay very close attention. So the next thing I went and did is I went to Google and to YouTube and type example billionaire lifestyle. You can see right here. I went and type example billionaire lifestyle or millionaire lifestyle. You're going to find all this type of videos right here. You can see I just type example billionaire lifestyle. So many people that are watching these different videos right here are going to be interested in having this dream life that is being shown in these different videos right here. So you can see right here there are a lot of videos. For example, you can see this one billionaire lifestyle. If you scroll down, you're going to find a lot of this type of videos. Anybody that is watching this type of videos right here are also interested in living this type of lifestyle, and many of them are going to be interested in our affiliate product. So I did is I went to YouTube and type example billionaire lifestyle, and I found a lot of the different channels. So let me show you guys some example channels. You can see this one billionaire Wolfgang. You can see they're posting a lot of this type of motivation type of videos. So let me show you guys another example. You can see this one lifetime winners. You can see they're posting a lot of this type of videos right here, billionaire lifestyle, and people that are watching these videos are interested in making a lot of money, and they're also interested in living this type of lifestyle. And you can go and promote these offers and actually earn a lot of money, because this type of offers right here are geared towards making money and having a great lifestyle. So what I did is I went and contacted these small YouTubers right here, and I paid them a very small amount of money. So I paid them between $30 to $150 to go and promote my affiliate offers on their different videos, depending on the views that they got. So let me show you guys an example channel that I used. So let me show you guys one right here. So one of the example channels I used that I paid, and I promoted one of my videos using this exact method right here. So I did not make all these sales from one video. I made this from multiple videos that I paid on different channels to go and promote my affiliate offer in the description of their videos. So what you're going to do is you're going to pay them a small amount of money. You can see these are videos right here. They're getting a lot of views, but you can see in the description, you can see one has up to 15,000 views. In the description, they're not promoting any affiliate offer. So I did is that when I pay them a small amount of money to go and input my affiliate link in the description, because many people that are watching these videos are going to be interested in this lifestyle, and our affiliate product is also going to be very related to the people that are watching these videos right here. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to look for the channel that's getting a lot of views. You can see this one right here. This particular channel is getting almost 1 million views per month. You're going to look for a video that's getting a lot of views. You can see this one right here. You can see this one has been published 1 year ago. So you're going to look for recent videos that are actually getting a lot of views. So let's go to their videos. We're going to look for their recent published videos that are actually getting a lot of views, and we're going to go and pay them a small amount of money to go and promote our affiliate offer in the description of their videos. So let's look for the videos that are actually getting a lot of views right now. You can see this one 17,000 views, this one 14,000 views. You can see this one is getting lesser views as compared to these other ones. So you can see this one 13,000 views, 12,000 views. But you can see this one week ago actually got a lot more views than this other one. So this one is actually getting a lot more views. So you can see it has 33,000 views. So these are the best videos that you can actually go and pay to promote our affiliate offer in the description of the video, because it's actually getting a lot more views, more than the other ones. You can see this one published 1 month ago. They have only 39,000 views, but you can see this one only 1 week ago is actually getting a lot of views. So we're going to do is let's check this particular video. And most of the time you're going to see that they're not promoting any affiliate offer in the description of their videos. You can see this video has up to 1,000 likes right here. You can see this is the description. What you're going to do is you're going to go and see right here, they're not promoting any affiliate offer. So you're going to contact these people right here, and we're going to pay them a small amount of money, for example, between $30 to $60 to go and promote your affiliate offer in the description of their video. And they're going to input your affiliate link to your affiliate offer exactly right here. So you're going to get a lot of traffic for people that are watching this video. They're going to click and they're going to go back to your affiliate offer, and you're going to actually make a lot of money right here. So this is the exact method I use, and I make a lot of money from using this exact strategy right here. So you can do from here is you can go and find a lot of these type of channels. If you just have example billionaire lifestyle or millionaire lifestyle, you're also going to find a lot of these type of channels that can actually go and contact that are not monetizing these channels with affiliate links. You're going to go and pay them a small amount of money. You're going to go and put your affiliate link in the description of their videos. Are you going to go and actually make a lot of sales? You can see this one 400,000 views. So let's open this one. Most of the time you're going to see that they're not promoting any affiliate offer. In the description, I can actually go and profit from this and actually make a lot of money, because these videos actually get a lot of views, and many people that are watching these videos are interested in having a great lifestyle, and it's going to be very good if you are going to promote this type of affiliate offers on the Clickbank affiliate marketplace. You can actually go and make a lot of money. So I see the description, you can see right here, this one is not promoting any affiliate offer. Right? You can see they're promoting the Facebook page right here, the Instagram page and the Facebook page right here, and they're not actually making a lot of money. So what you can do is I can go and pay them between $30 to $60 per video to go and promote your affiliate offer in the description of their videos right here. So to go and do that, guys, what you can do is I can go, for example, to their page. So let me go to this page right here. Let me show you guys where to go and find their contact info. So let me go back to that video. I'm sure they input their contact info. So let me go back and let me check if they have the info right here. You can see, for example, you can see this one right here. You can see buildempire@gmail.com. So you can see this one, they already have their email in the description. What you can do is I can just go and send them an email from here. I'm going to show you guys a sample email that you can go and send to these people right here to go and promote your affiliate offer in the description of their videos. So let me show you guys right here. So let's go to the channel. Let me show you guys another alternatives to go and find the contact info to go and promote your affiliate offer on these different groups right here. So let's go, for example, what you're going to do is that once you go to their channels, you're going to go, for example, to the about section. I can go and find their contact information right here. So most of the time they're going to go and have their contact information, as you can see right here. This is a contact information. Or if you click, for example, on view email address, you can actually go and see their email address from here. Or you're going to do is you're going to input this captcha right here. You can go and see their email address, and you're going to send them a sample email to promote your affiliate offer. So this is the exact method I use, and I make a lot of money from this method, and this method is still working right now because many people are still doing this exact method right now. I'm going to show you guys a sample email to go and send to these people to promote your affiliate offer. So let me show you guys how to go and find email address for another one. So let me go to another channel. So this one was Wolfgang. So let's check this other one. You're going to go to the about section. I can see many of them have their email addresses in the about section that I can go and contact them. I can go and promote your affiliate offers. So what you're going to do is you're going to pay very close attention. You're going to go to their videos. You're going to look for the videos that are getting a lot more views than the other ones, and that's where you're going to go and promote your affiliate offers, as I've shown you guys on the other channel right here. So that's a simple method to show you guys go use and earn a lot of money very fast. So pay very close attention right here. So let me show you guys the script. So you can see right here. This sample script that I sent to them. So you can see right here, I just send them, for example, to their name. So I hope that they're fine, that I'm a big fan of their channel, and they want to thank them for creating very good content. And next, you're going to go and talk about your affiliate product, that you have a business inquiry. I'm going to ask them how much they are willing to charge for you to go and put your link in the description of their videos per video, and how much they are willing to charge. I will say, for example, $100. What you're going to do is you're going to negotiate the price. I'm going to tell them that you're willing to pay, for example, from $20 to $30. So you're going to go and pay less than $100 to go and promote your affiliate offer in the description. I can actually go and make a lot of sales because they're getting thousands of views every hour on their different videos, and many people are going to click and go back to your affiliate offer. So to go and do this in the weight loss niche, what you're going to do is you're going to go to affiliate marketplace. So we're going to look for top selling products on the affiliate marketplace in the weight loss niche. So let's just start by gravity. You start by gravity right here, you're going to see a lot of top selling weight loss offers. You can see custom keto diet, Okinawa flat belly tonic, research. You can go and promote any of these products right here on YouTube influencers as well. What you're going to do is you're going to look for YouTube influencers that are not promoting any affiliate offer in the description of their videos. I'm going to go and promote your affiliate offer and pay them a very small amount of money. So let me show you guys another example. So to go and promote weight loss offers, you can go and type example. You can see, let me show you guys an example. I just type example weight loss motivation. You can see there are a lot of videos. You can see there are a lot of videos. You're going to look for smaller channels. You can see this one right here, 400,000 views. I can see this channel has only 77,000 followers right here. So let's look for another one. So let me scroll down. You can see this one has up to 4 million. See right here, it has 37,000 subscribers, and this video has up to 4 million views in 4 months. So let's open this. You're going to go and see that they're not monetizing this particular video right here, so they're missing out on a lot of money. So let me open this and let me go to the description. Let's go right to the description. You're going to see that they're not promoting any affiliate offer. You can see 4 million views, guys. Can see, imagine how much money you can go and make from promoting your affiliate offer right here. So because many people are watching these videos right here are interested in losing weight, and if you go and input your affiliate link right here, you can actually go and make a lot of money. You can see up to 1,000 likes. You can see in the description there's no affiliate offer right here. So if person promote an affiliate offer from here, they could have made, for example, at least $20,000 promoting that affiliate offer from here, because many people that are watching these videos are interested in losing weight, guys. So it's a huge traffic method I'm showing guys right here. They can go and use and actually make a lot of money, and I've been using this method as well and make a lot of money. I've made almost $2,000 plus from using this exact method right here. You can go and follow this as well. As I've shown you guys, many people are not using this exact method right now. You can go and use it as well and actually make a lot of money from here. As you can see right here, so let me show you guys other examples. You can see this one, best way loss glow ups. You can see 63,000 likes. You can see this person right here is using this exact method and they're promoting the affiliate offer on Clickbank in the description of their videos. But there are thousands of this type of videos right here. You can see this one, they're not actually promoting any affiliate offer. You can see they're promoting something that is absolutely unrelated to the affiliate offer, so they're not really making any money from here because this is not related to the affiliate offer. You can see you can go and contact them from here. I can go and send them a DM. I can go and promote your affiliate offer right here for a very small amount of money, and you can actually make thousands of dollars very fast. You can go and make your first $1,000 to $10,000 plus from this exact method I've shown you guys right here. As I've shown you guys, this method 100% works. All you're going to do is you're going to take action on this, because you're not going to take any action, you're not going to see any result 100%. So take action on this method and you're going to go and see results. So if you appreciate this video guys, be sure to share this video so others can go and benefit from this method. Also leave a like on this video so that others can go and see this video as well. So that's it guys, take action on this method and you're going to go and guarantee to see results very fast, even as soon as today. Take action on this and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.